Hi there, I'm Johanna, and today I'm giving you a closer look at one of the leading video intercom systems, the ButterflyMX video intercom. In this video, we'll cover what is a video intercom and what is ButterflyMX, what's included in the ButterflyMX video intercom system, and how to use the video intercom. If you're not familiar, a video intercom is a type of building entry system that includes a camera to enable video calling rather than just voice calling. It allows someone visiting a building to video call a tenant and request access. The tenant answers the visitor's call on an in-unit monitor or their smartphone, depending on the system. And they press a button on the device to remotely unlock the door or gate for their visitor. So ultimately, a video intercom system controls access at your front door or gate, and it adds an extra layer of security because tenants can visually confirm who's requesting access before letting them in. Now, ButterflyMX actually created the smart video intercom, meaning a video intercom that pairs with a mobile app for smartphone-based access. The ButterflyMX intercom is a video intercom system for apartments, offices, gated communities, student housing, and many other types of properties. It's a well-known brand in the industry and has been installed in more than 8,500 buildings. Now, what sets ButterflyMX apart from other video intercoms is that it allows tenants to remotely unlock the door or gate with their smartphones and empowers property staff to manage the system from anywhere using a robust cloud-based dashboard. Additionally, the ButterflyMX video intercom only requires 3 connections: power, internet, and door strike. So there's no need for building-wide wiring and in-unit hardware, since residents use their smartphones instead. All you have to do is install the intercom device at the entrance and you're good to go. The ButterflyMX video intercom comes in 2 different sizes, a 7-inch and an 11-inch screen, both of which are available as surface-mounted or recessed models. The intercom is also IP65 rated, meaning it's protected from elements like rain, snow, sun, and cleaning agents. Now we're going to talk about what's included when you buy a ButterflyMX video intercom. In the box, you've got your intercom, which comes with the backplate attached. You'll need to remove that backplate with the provided key to access and record the intercom serial number before installing it. The box also contains your power supply and power cables. ButterflyMX is a huge step up from the typical video intercom doorbell because it has a large touchscreen and a tenant directory, so visitors can easily find the tenant they need to call. The user interface is sleek and easy to navigate, so anyone who needs to request access will intuitively know how to use the ButterflyMX intercom. Also, the buttons on the home screen are customizable. So for example, if you have a leasing office that you want visitors to be able to contact, you can add a leasing office button that dials your office. So to use the video intercom as a visitor, I simply tap the directory button and find a tenant in the list. When I call someone, the tenant gets a video call to their phone and we can video chat. And if they want to unlock the door or gate for me, they just tap open door on their phone. Now, one of the best features of ButterflyMX is the virtual key, which is a digital access code that a tenant can send to a planned visitor in advance. It allows that visitor to gain access by scanning a QR code or entering a PIN code that they receive by email or text. And delivery carriers also have a special way to access the property. They can enter a delivery PIN code that management assigned to them. If they don't have an assigned delivery PIN, they can instead call the resident they're delivering to, or a front desk. Another cool feature is the delivery pass, which is a temporary access code that residents can send to delivery carriers in advance. When purchasing something online, a resident can actually include the delivery pass code in the delivery instructions box at checkout. That way, the courier will have a way to enter the building and complete the delivery. But ButterflyMX isn't just for visitors. It also simplifies access for tenants. As a tenant, I can use the video intercom to unlock the door or gate for myself in a few ways. First, I can swipe to open in the mobile app on my phone. I can also tell Siri or Alexa to unlock the door or gate with a voice command. Or I can use my Apple Watch. And finally, I can enter a PIN code on the intercom by tapping Door PIN. So there you have it. There's a solid overview of the ButterflyMX video intercom, how it works, and how you use it. To learn more, visit ButterflyMX.com.